This crazy new tool for video will blow your mind, and here is why. When cinema began, films were silent. You could see the actors on screen, but there was no dialogue, no background sound. Decades later, synchronized sound changed storytelling forever. Since then, sound design has become one of the most powerful tools in film, television, and games. It's what turns moving pictures into experiences. But even today, every editor and sound designer faces the same problem: a cut that still sounds empty and lacks impact. You start with scratched dialogue, camera and hiss, and room tone, not the world your story is meant to live in. At Krotos, we believe it's time for the next chapter. One that doesn't replace the craft of sound design, but removes the most time-consuming first steps. That's why we built video to sound. Upload a clip, and in seconds it transforms with real, professional audio. Cafés, streets, offices match perfectly to each scene. Suddenly, rough cuts feel polished, and every stem is yours to remix, replace, or refine however you choose. This isn't generative guesswork. It's powered by real recordings from our award-winning sound team, shaped automatically by our AI engine. Your edit sounds powerful and in sync immediately, and you stay in control of the final mix. Some may ask, does this replace sound designers? No. Just as digital editing didn't replace editors and sample libraries didn't replace musicians, this doesn't replace the craft. It simply kickstarts the process so that you can focus on the choices only you can make. From today, video to sound is part of Krotos Studio Pro and Max and available instantly in your browser. No downloads, no setup. Just open your account and start creating today. A cut that sounds empty is no longer your starting point. The story is yours to tell.